Hey guys, welcome to Help Screen. This is how to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access in Windows. So guys, first thing what you will do is simply go ahead and go to your internet or Wi-Fi icon, and now just simply right click on your network and go for open network and internet settings. Now from here guys, you could just simply go ahead and select over here change adapter options. And guys, personally I do this and mostly it fixes my problem. And now you should be able to see here your network that you're connected with, and you could just simply right click on it and you could just simply select disable. And after that, just simply go ahead and right click on it again and enable it, and you should be able to restart the connection. And another thing is make sure guys that your Ethernet cable is properly connected to your router and into your PC, and make sure it is secure so you won't have any issue. There you go, see ya.